welcome back to my YouTube channel. The inspiration of today's DIY project is the beautiful tempered lamp from Costco. And I want to show you how I made 2 of them at home. Firstly, I want to show you the materials I used to prepare the base of the lamp. The first one is a glass vase. It has the perfect shape I want, but it is relatively small, so I use this to prepare the small lamp. For the bigger lamp, I used 2 pieces to prepare the base. A ceramic garden pot on the bottom and a plastic cup on the top. The bottom of the pot and the opening of the cup have exactly the same size, so I can easily connect them together. Since the wall of the plastic cup is thin, so I decided to use those foam board pieces to make the wall thicker so I can easily glue it onto the pot. I also added a candle holder from Dollar Tree to extend the length of the base to 18 inches. Initially, I wanted to use spray paint, so I used the pink drywall paste to smooth the connection between 2 pieces. But after sanding, even applied several layers of the spray paint primer, I realized the surface is not as smooth as I thought. So I decided to use the brushed gold adhesive paper. For a cylindrical or tempered shape, this step actually is not that straightforward. So I firstly used a regular paper to trace the exactly surface area of the base which I need to cover. And then use this measurement as a template to prepare the poster board and gold adhesive paper. The poster board I use in this project is from Dollar Tree. It has very smooth surface. It also has the gold color version, so if you are not planning to use the gold adhesive paper, you can just directly use the gold poster board. I decided to use the gold adhesive paper because the one I already had at home is very shiny and also has a brushed metal look. For the adhesive paper, it's a lot easier to apply on the flat surface than the curved surface. So I would suggest you apply the adhesive paper directly onto the flat poster board before you glue it onto the tempered base. This is how the base looks. It's very smooth, shiny, and beautiful. I used the same technique prepared the small one. The bulb used in this project is a battery-operated LED light bulb. The details are linked in the description box below. I also reused the lampshade I prepared from the previous project. Now let's check out the final product. Those lamps turned out very beautiful to me. I'm so glad I used the gold adhesive paper instead of spray painting. Feel free to let me know your thoughts on those lamps. This is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.